Just wanted to make a quick little video on how to install the socket protector in an SP3 motherboard. After removing your CPU, you're going to want to install this just to keep things safe if you don't plan on putting a different CPU in. And what you need to do is be mindful of, let's see if we can get that to focus. There we go. Be mindful of the triangle on that socket protector. And you want to line it up with the same spot on the socket itself. So with the mechanisms up, you'll notice the little black triangle in this upper corner right here. And basically you want to orient that with the socket protector and carefully line it up, which feels a little scary. There are some notches and stuff in the socket that these will line up with on the side. Gently drop it down, push it into place, and don't put any force on it. When you push it down, don't push down hard, because if you have to push down hard, you did something wrong. It should just lightly clip into place, and then when you pull it up, same deal. It'll kind of want to hold, but yeah, just very gently line it up. Make sure it's in the right spot. And let's see if I can get a good zoom. We'll lower the camera down a little bit. See how those are all lined up. And then there, if you want to be extra cautious, you could probably push down on the corner. That'd probably be the safest place. Because the last thing you want to do is bend one of those 3 million plus pins. However many pins there are, I don't even know. And then it's just a matter of pushing the brackets back down and doing the tightening procedure. I don't think I would recommend torquing this down. I don't know what the official recommendation is for this, but I would just snug it down finger tight, because you're not trying to make sure things are making contact. You're just trying to make sure that the socket doesn't go swinging open unexpectedly. There we go. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.